Hi you guys, so lately I've been getting a few requests on Instagram on how I do my hair, like how I get this, not exactly blowout, but this kind of blowout look, which is not really straight, not really curls, but nice loose waves, not exactly loose waves, I think it's a blowout. So I just thought that I would go ahead and just shoot a video on my channel. I'll also post this on my blog, just so if anybody who is a reader of my blog, if there is anybody, thank you, then you can also take a look at this. So I just wanted to give a rundown of the products and the tools that I use. So when I have my hair wet, I take it out of my towel, not the shower, the towel, and the first thing that I use is this Briogeo leave-in conditioning spray. Not sure if it's focusing. I think it's okay. So I use this, and it's actually I think it's a clean brand at Sephora. I'm not sure. I might be wrong, but I think it's a clean formula. I'm not exactly sure, as I said. But it says it has no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens, so that's good for your hair. And I just like having a conditioning spray or a leave-in conditioner in my hair. So I do that first, and then I go ahead and use this Alterna Caviar CC cream. That's 10-in-1 complete correction. I've been using this for, I don't know, maybe over a year. So yeah, I'm really, using it up to, and it's actually good. I feel like it's kind of conditioner, pre-styler, and since I already bought this, I use it. I'm not exactly sure what it does, but I do. And then I also like adding a little bit of oil to my hair before I dry it. So I use this Moroccan oil. It's a really small bottle. I think it's a travel size, or the smallest bottle that they have, that they sell. So I use this. And then I just comb it out with a white tooth comb, and before I start to use any kind of tool, I use this heat protectant on my hair. I just got this actually from Sephora. It's the Dry Bar Hot Toddy, and I've heard really good things about it, so what the hell, you need to use heat protectant on your hair, and I really do. And then I start doing my hair. So I do my hair in about 4 sections. What I do, as you will see in the video, but I just want to give a rundown before. So I use this tool. It's from Revlon. It's their Revlon One-Step Dryer and Volumizer. I think that's the name if I'm not wrong, but it's something like that if it's not. And it's been, if you have been on Instagram or on YouTube or on the internet, you might have seen it if you're interested in hair products, that is. But it's actually a really good tool. I mean, I was kind of thinking that it might be gimmicky because I remember that I had one before, like about maybe, I don't know, maybe a year and a half before I had one tool, and it didn't really work. It was bad. It just didn't work. But this is actually really good. It gives out it does give out a lot of heat, and it dries my hair. It's actually really good, as you can see. I mean, this is all I did with this, and it's actually really good. And then for my front pieces, I use 2-inch curling irons, as you would see in the video. I just like them to have a little bit of, swoosh kind of action. I don't know what you call it. So I use that, and then once I'm done with those two, I go ahead and use this Bubble Invisible Dry Oil. I would like to say that I do get a few flyaways when I use this, like a few up top of my hair, but I don't really mind a few flyaways, and then this helps with the flyaways too. So yeah, that's all that I use, and yeah, I think that's it, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye. So I just went ahead and changed into this shirt so you can actually see my hair. So this is how it turns out. I absolutely love this. But for my layers, face framing layers, what I could do is I go ahead and warm up this 2-inch curling iron. This one is from Hot Tools. You can take any, or depending on what kind of flick you want. Not exactly flick, kind of curl you want or wave you want. So I just heat it up. It's at 330 right now. I try not to do so much heat since I already used that blow dryer thingy. So now what I do is I just go ahead, I have a mirror right here, so I'm just looking here. I just go ahead and grab a few different pieces and try to curl them with this curling iron. So I just take this one and put it kind of right here. I actually like doing this because I like when you have your hair like this. Not too much, but a little bit. It gives a really nice look to the face, I think. I think this looks good. I like it on me. So if you don't want, it's completely okay like this, but I just like giving it a little bit more wave. You don't have to keep it in the curling iron or do anything, just slide it down nicely and it'll give a really nice kind of this wave. Absolutely love this. So I'll do the same thing on this side. So there, you are done. Now what I do, I just take this Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. It's UV Protective Dry Oil Finishing Spray, and it doesn't for the ends, it doesn't let them look really dry, and gets a little bit of shine like this. I just shake it up and that's it. That's the hair done. And if you're curious about this makeup look, I already have a video on my channel up. The previous one actually, I'll link it down below in the description bar as well. And let me know how you like this. I have been really enjoying this curling iron. Not curling iron, sorry. I've been using it since December. Every time I wash my hair, almost every time. If I'm not going anywhere, then I don't. But it's really good. It's really handy. It only takes me about 20 minutes to actually do my hair, and that says a lot because I have a lot of hair. It's actually really good. And this is how I do. This is how I get a blowout kind of look at home. It's not exactly a blowout, but I think it's a lot better than using these curling irons or my straightener, which is like a lot more heat than that. I don't exactly know how much heat that gives, but I still feel like it's just like using a hair dryer. So I'm sorry, I just keep looking back. I think my husband is coming. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know what more you would like to see from me in the comments down below. Bye.